Hello there, welcome back to my channel. So last night I went out and I did this cute hairstyle. I tried my best to get a good outfit shot, and I don't know if I did, but anyway, I'm on my way to a restaurant to see my girls. So today I am going to my cousin's baby shower and I want to recreate it. So I am going to try my best to do that. I start off, of course, with my rosewater glycerin. This braid out is a few days old, so you know, I need to keep it moisturized. And then of course I have my Carol's Daughter black vanilla oil. These are my holy grails. If you've been watching me for a while, you'll know that I only stick to a few items, and these are those. All right, so we're good and moisturized. So we are going to do 2 braids at the top, really simple style. But you know, sometimes your hair wants to work with you and sometimes it doesn't. So let's see what we get here. All right, so I'm just kind of, you know, parting my hair. And now I'm taking 3 braids. And I am kind of like twisting the root just a little bit so that the braid can be neat and you can actually, you know, see that it's a braid. So all I am going to do is braid down. So just a regular little braid. I only took in 3 locks. And I'm going to put a rubber band at the end and I'm going to pull it back. If you are new here, by the way, my name is Shae. I do videos on locks, a little fashion, a little home decor, a little travel. It's a lifestyle channel over here. So if that is your thing, please subscribe. We would love to have you here on this growing channel. All right, so that braid didn't work well, so let me re-braid it and then I'll put a rubber band at the end. I swear to you guys, last night when I did this style, it was one and done. You know how that goes. You know how that goes. You try to recreate something and it just never turns out right, but we are going to get it today. Okay. So actually, yeah, I'm gonna pull it back a little bit and I'm gonna attach it to a few locks just to kind of anchor it. So that's what I'm doing here. And it's like a trial and error. I don't know if I have enough locks in there. I might have too many, but we'll fix it. So I'm just using like 1 black rubber band and I am pulling it back. I hope everybody is doing well. I'm having a great time this summer. I'm gonna have to fix that because I don't like how that's sticking out. So I'll go back in and fix it in a minute. But if you are new here, I'm a school teacher. I teach high school. Yeah, I usually work summer school in the summers, but this summer I did not. And I am just enjoying myself. I said all I want to do this summer is eat good food and drink good wine, and I have been doing that so far. All right, so now we are on to the second braid. So with this one, I had to get a little crafty, and you will see that I am going to I'm going to actually do 2 braids on this side just because it looks better. So you just have to kind of know your own. You have to kind of know your own hair. So braiding this down. And I'm going to pull it back. And then I'm gonna do that second braid that I was telling you about right here. Okay, so now I'm going to pull those two back. I don't know if I'm liking how that looks. I might have to rebraid it. Like I said, last night was just on point. I literally did it one time. I literally did it one time and it was good. All right, so let's see here.